8i, this is half. What is the value of this? First we can write 8, this is the power of half, I, this is power of half. So this value is, we can write 8 is 2 into 2 into 2, this is 2, so this is the 2, and this is the, so this value is 2, and this is the I. So now, so it's half plus minus. So now the plus minus of 2, and this is the 2i. And now this made the a square b square plus 2ab. This is the a plus b whole square. So we made this. So there is a 2 and 1 is the I. So b, so we can write the 2 into I into 1. So this is the similarity of 2i. And this one, so there is the 1 minus 1, to cut there. So this is the 1 and this is the minus 1, and this minus 1 we can write I is equal to the this, so I square is equal to this minus 1. So we get this is the I square, so this is the I square, and this one, so we can write there 1 and this minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to this I square, so we can write this is 1 square is 1, and plus the I square is minus 1, so minus 1 and 1 cut, this is 0, and there is the plus 2, this is 1, and this is I, and this is 1. So this is the formula of this. So it must be, so plus minus of 2, so this is the, we can write 1 plus I this square, and now plus minus of 2, 1 plus I this square, and this is root is half, so cut. So this value is plus minus of 2, 1 plus I. This is the value of this. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.